Okay, hello everyone. Let's look at the final category of the function. The last session we have seen three categories of the function. Now only one category of the function is remained. Let's move to the last category. Okay, let me just trigger out this. Okay, now the window is enlarged. Let me just focus on the last category with argument no return. Now this part will be slightly modified since it is with argument no return. It means I just need to modify this return type. Instead of int it will be void. Okay, now the passing of the parameters will be done as it is. So just call the add function, pass the parameters. This task will be done at the called function end. Since we are saying that no return means whatever the addition we have done, that will be simply displayed at the called function end. Okay, addition of two numbers is. Okay, I will just modify it. First of all, let's modify it. Return statement will not be over there since this time we are not returning anything. That's why obviously return will not be there. So void will be the return type. Okay, now this is how the program is modified. This time the declaration of x is not at all needed. It will be the extra variable. So I will just keep it. Let's see here what exactly we have done with argument that can be identified from here. First line of declaration, two values which are of integer type are passed to the add function, that is a and b. No return that can be identified from the call of the function itself. We are not assigning the return to any of the variable, so that is why it is simply call the function and let the job to be done at the called function end. So here the called function is add. So at the add we are writing it like int c. Okay, now x and y. So this x and y, someone may write it as a and b itself, but remember the thing over here, whatever the values of a and b provided in the main function, these are not the same values in add function, because this a and b are local to the main function. And if I write here, let's say a and b, then these a and b will be the local for add function. Okay, so that is what the major difference between the local variable and the global variable. So once the execution of this add function is completed, the validity in short for a and b in a add, that will be vanished. Okay, so that is nothing but the local variable concept. Okay, now let's see here. Now this is where the category can be identified, arguments are being passed, and this is where we can just obtain return type is void. So with argument no return. Now I want to display the result at the called function end, so that is what done over here. Now in this particular program I will just show you the control transfer with the help of, say, the F7 key pressing. So just keep pressing F7 key. Let's see how the control is transferred. It is at the main function, then declaration, then CLRSCR, then add. Now see here, once the add function is called, the control will be at the definition of add. So this is where it is at the definition of add. It will complete the job of addition. After completing it, it will transfer the control back to the calling function. So calling function is nothing but the main. So it's ch, and again it will be closed. Now this time we are getting the message that addition of two numbers is 66. The same kind of thing you can just tally with the help of, let's say, the user defined values. Hence, instead of writing these values with the initialized, that is a equal to 11, you can accept the values from the user by using the printf and scanf statement and then pass it to the function and check the result. That is all about the function. Thank you everyone. Thank you very much. The same task one may verify with the help of what exactly the call by value and call by reference concept. So, thank you everyone.